What's up, motherfuckers? He is I and I am him. It's G-Mo motherfucking Skee, aka Filth the North. And I'm in this bitch. Had to throw my organization 13 cloak on real quick because we got a little something special in this bitch. Your boy had to get the motherfucking Keyblade. It just came in the mail. New Keyblade, who this? So check this shit out, man. This is the Keyblade Proplica, right? Nigga, we got the Chinese, Japanese, 30 knees. Look at these on the box, nigga, so you know where it came from. We finna bust this motherfucker open, and this ain't your regular type of Keyblade. So brace your motherfucking self, cause I'm finna blow you motherfuckers' whiskers back with this shit. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. Okay, they got this shit all wrapped in plastic and oh, that shit nice. I can't even lie to you. That shit nice. Oh, boy, oh. Boy, it's like Christmas in this motherfucker. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Look at that shit, y'all. The Keyblade. As you can see, licensed by Bandai, you know what I mean, and all that shit. So let's crack this bitch open, man. Oh, look at him. Put that over there, boy. Look at this motherfucker, boy. That motherfucker heated. Oh, so it came with like a little stand. This motherfucker cracking. Look at this motherfucker, boy. Yo, I like it. It's more plastic than metal. I got some metal Keyblades, but this shit is fucking heated. I like it, bro. It actually looks like Sora's Keyblade in game. Give me your shit, Sora. So the shit lights up and everything, you know what I mean? It lights up, it makes noises, but first, we gotta put in some motherfucking batteries. Pop that thing off, unscrew that, hit that on switch. Oh, you heard him? No games. Alright, we put some batteries in this motherfucker, bro. Ooh. Sound like you beating somebody's ass. You see? You press the button. Oh shit. Well, I'm out here casting spells. Hold on, nigga. Oh, that shit light up, boy. Turn the lights off. Okay, we got a little bit of thunder. Oh, you heard that? It's bubbling, nigga. I had to hit a nigga with that poison. Okay, that was obviously frost or blizzard. Wait, what the fuck was that? Okay, that's the yoga flames. Oh, curing niggas. I'm curing you niggas of your butt hurt right now. You saw that green one? I cured you niggas of your butt hurt. Salty. Alright, that's heated. Oh, back up, nigga. Fuck off my Keyblade, nigga. Oh man, there's one more thing. You're supposed to be able to shoot a keyhole onto the wall. Right here in the tip of the blade, a keyhole. I'm not so sure how to do it. I better check the instructions. This shit is all in Japanese, bro. How am I supposed to fucking read the instructions? Okay, hold on, man. Aim down at a 45-degree angle. Alright, so maybe it's some old motion sensing ass shit. Hold on, man. Let's check this shit out, man. Alright, I had to go first person on you niggas real quick, you know what I mean? Cause I'm finna show you niggas how to be a Keyblade master. You know what I mean? A real bona fide Keyblade master. Now they said hold the shit down to an angle. Hold this motherfucking button. Hold on. Okay, there we go. You hear that motherfucker powering up? Let's turn these lights off. Oh, you hear that, boy? I'm finna seal your bitch's fate right now. Seal the bitch's keyhole. Oh, shit. Boy, it done got dark. There we go. Here we go, baby. What it do? Okay, we back. Oh shit! God damn! You see that shit? That shit is projected on the wall from the tip of the Keyblade. Hey yo, that shit nasty, son. I'm the Keyblade's chosen one in this motherfucker. Y'all niggas just some nobodies, nigga. Go ahead, seal that keyhole, young nigga. Young Keyblade master. Oh, I'm sealing your bitch's keyhole right now. That's what's going on. Yo, this motherfucker is a weapon of mass destruction, yo. And I'm Skee, the motherfucking Keyblade's official chosen one, you feel me? I can just taste all you niggas salt out there, man. But look, man, I'm gonna keep opening shit that you can't afford. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. Anyways, man, it's Gmo. Like and subscribe, comment, do all that good shit, man. I'm trying to get my YouTube up, trying to get my YouTube views up, you know what I mean? Holla at the boy! It's Gmo, Skemo, nigga. You know what time it is? F-Gang.
You know my name, but you're scared to speak it. Yeah. You pussy nigga, that's how we should keep it. Because I'm trouble, and everybody knows it's not a secret. Everybody know, nigga, I'm beastin'. I'm fucking beastin'. Because I'm trouble, and I don't think you really want a conflict. Trouble.